6:30 in the morning and we go hiking again. It feels that there's a lot of hiking in my videos, so that's why please write a comment. Is it still interesting for you or not? If it's not interesting, I will not add hiking in my vlog anymore, or I will add little small details of it. But you know, that's the really important part of my day, and there is a lot of interesting things happening, so that's why. And we never do the same. We always go somewhere else. We do some new trails, we meet new people. So it's, I don't know, when I'm editing it, it still feels interesting, even it's a big part of it. And then I got a lot of questions. Who's that guy who's always going together with me, diving together? That's Elliot. Elliot is my student, and I think we are friends now as well. We hiking, and it's, I don't know, Elliot is someone who is same passionate about the things what I love. So that's why there is a lot of things we can do together, like hiking and diving, and at the same time he's a part of my day. So that's Elliot. That's him.
Huh?
Morning.
How you going? Good.
And that's cassava. See, buggy.
Okay.
So that's the roots of cassava. They're just pulling out this, like a kind of the tree of whatever is that, and then that's the root. Minum again.
Kaya kemana?
Same. Pagi-pagi. That's our siblings, mountain siblings. It may sound as an announcement, and probably it is, but actually we're planning to go there. Just there. Yeah. That's Mount Agung. I've been there a couple of times. The first time I was there, July 2017. We got a really nice hike. That time some of my friends got really weak knees on the way down, and I needed to help them to get down. But yep, so that time I understood that's the place I really love. And then 2017, when the Agung erupted, so then I did the second hike. It was December 28th, during the Christmas time, and on the way down I got arrested. So that's the photo from the police station. Nothing serious, they just said that it's really bad what we did, and I absolutely agree. I'm not proud of what I did, but the willing to go there and see what's going on was so big, because all the local people were really scared and no one really knowed what's going on there, because everybody said, okay, the lava is coming out. So finally when we were there, we saw just everything is okay. So nothing to be worried about. It's not same as 1963. And now when they lowered the warning level to 2, so that means I can go again, because I'm not like a kind of violating any local rules. So then I have this plan to go to Mount Agung for a really long time, like I don't know, since the quarantine started. That means like 6 months. So now universe send me Elliot, because Laura said you will never go alone, and I can agree, because if something happen and it's just illusion that we're controlling something, actually we are not controlling anything. In any moment something can happen, so that's better always to go together with someone. Same like diving, never do free diving or diving alone. So then this plan start to look serious, and I think this hiking stuff is a kind of preparation for that. I'm very sure we will go. Let's turn around. Go. Sampai jumpa. Almost bumped into the lady. Good? Okay. Done. See you 10. Free diving day. That was a really good freediving session. We had a lot of fun, beautiful place. So just to remind again, we did freediving at Pyramids. Hello. Hello.